Hi guys, this is Chris and Kai's cooking show. I am Chef Chris and this is Chef Didn't Sleep This Morning. We have a meal for you today. What are we doing? Well, we're going to cook something and hope it turns out okay. In the oven I have some salt crusted baked potatoes. I used that new honey hot garlic rub and that was a pain, we'll just say. And it does smell like something's burning, but hopefully that's just the crusties on the roasting pan. Hopefully not too much because I hate cleaning that crap up. Anyways, I've got 8 pork chops. Yeah, he says anyway. Yeah. Got 4 pork chops here. What we're going to do is we're going to throw these ingredients and whisk them together. I've got 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. I went with dark. 2 tablespoons. I got 4 tablespoons of wash your sister sauce. Maybe I'm getting these mixed up because I used soy sauce also, which I've got about 2 teaspoons of. Probably the soy sauce, hopefully. 4 tablespoons of water. 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard. Probably botching all these numbers. All right, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This is going to be the glaze. And then for the rest of the sauce, I have 6 tablespoons of butter hanging out. So we're just going to get these all mixed up. Not too thick. All right, guys. Finally found a use for this shaker I got with my peppers. I've got garlic powder. I've got pepper, salt. I went with pine sea salt, and then smoked paprika. We're just gonna get a nice layer on these pork chops. All right. Now over here I have some corn. We're going to turn that to a little over a medium-high heat. Not a little over, just a medium. A little over medium. Okay, I've got 3 cans of corn sitting there. I've got about a stick and a half, about 3/4 of a stick of butter. I went with some salt, some pepper, some garlic powder. Then I just decided to add some herbs. I have a little bit of rosemary, a little bit of thyme, and a little bit of basil. Maybe a lot more than I needed, but that's okay. So I'm going to flip these over and toss the rest of it on here, just because I've doused that side pretty good. Alright, that's a ton of seasoning, probably way more than I needed. We're going by the recipe. Turn this up just a hair. Chef Kai, holy cow, dude. How many hot dogs you gonna lose here, dude? Let's not put them in there, let's eat them. You got hot dogs everywhere, dude. Everywhere except for your mouth. Alright, so that was yeah, why don't you eat them, my dude? You eat none of your hot dogs. Now they're full. Anyways, hot dogs. Kai. These are the cheese ones you really like. Here, have a bite. Oh, yummy. You need it. No, let's lift that. That's fine. Let's leave it on. You're doing good. Here, just a bite. Sorry. Leave it on. Leave it on. Leave it on. Yeah. There you go, dude. Alright. So, getting that heated up. I'll just do a dance for you guys. Okay, maybe not. Okay, not wearing the hat. Hey Kai, man down. Man down. Man down. Okay, maybe he's the one saying that. Get this nice stirred up. We got 11 minutes left on the potatoes, so I'm running a little behind today. Alright, so get this bad boy in here. Get it sizzling. I just went with a ribeye chop. They had the center cut. They were both the same price. I'm not going for those giant thick Iowa cuts. I don't need that kind of bloatedness in my life. If I was cooking for a bunch of people, maybe, but this is just gonna make some meals and maybe a couple friends. So this will be perfect. Couple of these, my dude. Man down. Man down. Man down. Ready, set,
go!
Alright. A little bit of a money shot on there. Definitely need to be a little bit darker than that, but this is a guy who likes to flip things too much cooking. So that's where we're at. Anxiety is a complete pain, if you know what I mean. Inability to sit still and yeah. Grape juice. No, you eat that. Don't spit it out. Oh my gosh, dude, what are you doing? No. Why? Dude, what the heck? Will you not be doing that? This is not how we normally eat. We didn't usually make it back out that way. He might play a little bit, but he's pretty good at eating his food. Today, I don't know what the deal is. Really? Okay, pretty clear you didn't use one. Nope, sit down. Sit. You're gonna eat this? You're a mess. Not a very good lunch here. You got some of your toys. There you go. You get a good sear on this side over here. Let that fat kind of render down in there. Now, since this recipe calls for four, we're actually going to set those to the side. You line these up, that way when you pick them up, you get a sear on this side, and it helps bring some of the fat down into the pan. So much nice caramelization in the bottom of this pan, so hopefully that's going to add a ton of flavor to this sauce we're making. Not just burn everything up. So, too many pork chops. Let's get this butter going. Lower that. Definitely do not want this burning to the bottom. We just want it to thicken up, glaze. Holy heck, dude. Okay. You lost it. You lost it all, dude. All of it. You gotta hold tight for a minute, dude. Okay? Alright, so let's get the rest of this mix in. Get it all in there, get it nice and sit, bud. All right. That is a total mess on this end. That is for sure. not stain everything in path. I got you, my dude. Check out that. I have not done these Goldens. Normally, like I said, I use oh my god. Man down. Man down. What do you think, man down? So we're just gonna soak these up in here. Alright. Call me Chef making a mess for sure. Don't knock me for the country truffle. It's my favorite. Especially on baked potatoes. And a lot of it. So. Yeah, dude, yeah. This is Mexican cheddar jack, nothing special. Get some of this on here. So, let's see where we're at. Alright guys, that's just a basic meal. It's not super thick. Probably could cut out a little bit of the wash your sister sauce and maybe a little bit of water just to make it thicker. Could definitely sear them better. Perfect. Definitely a pretty good, pretty tasty pork chop. Woo! Not as hot as the corn for sure. I'm more into this baked potato though. Alright, so the baked potato is pretty perfect. It's got a little kick to it, a little sweet. That's where we're at, guys. This has been Chris and Kai's cooking show. I'm Chef Chris, this is Chef Kai. Hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. If not, I'm sorry. We're gonna try. I know I am for sure. He's going to bed sooner or later. Anyways, have a nice weekend, guys. High five.